Hello everybody, Hashi Richards back with another video. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My channel is called Law TV with attorney Hashi. You can find me all over social media at Hashi Richards and also my website hashirichards.com. So I am doing a video a day this year for 2021, and I cover topics ranging from immigration to estate planning. And so I've been doing a few videos on estate planning the past week or so, and I was thinking this evening, the key really to estate planning, the whole purpose of estate planning, right, is to make sure that your wishes are taken care of while you're alive, right, while you're healthy. And then maybe in the possibility that you may be incapacitated, and those are your advance directives, right? Your power of attorney, your living will, your healthcare surrogate, your HIPAA authorization, right? And then, of course, afterlife, right? After you've passed, making sure that your wishes are communicated properly to your loved ones left behind, right? And so the theme that I was thinking about throughout all this is communication, right? So you want to make sure that throughout your entire estate planning process that you are communicating. So who do you need to communicate with, right? You need to communicate with the person you're going to name as the personal representative in your will, right? Letting them know your intentions, to name them and what their responsibilities will be. You need to communicate with the trustee if you have a trust, right? The successor trustee, who you're going to name in the event you become incapacitated, or in the event that you pass, who will step into your shoes, right? You also need to communicate with the people you name in your advance healthcare directive, in your power of attorney. Also, you need to communicate your end of life wishes, right? If you have a terminal illness, right? Letting people know what you state in your living will, right? Your living will basically states, this is what I want to happen if I have an end stage condition or a terminal condition. And it's important to communicate. And some people may say, well, I have all these documents. Why do I need to communicate? I named X, Y, and Z as the personal representative, and they'll find out when I'm gone and they'll be fine with it. Or I named this person as a successor trustee and they'll be okay. They can figure it all out. Or my wife knows what I would want to happen if I wasn't able to make a decision after a surgery. Or my wife or my husband knows that I want to be taken off life support. I mean, I don't need to explain my reasoning. And I would disagree, I would disagree. And these are people that you love, these are people that you care about. And I think it's really important to have the conversation. It's respectful, and it's also beneficial for you, right? To be able to communicate in your own words. And if you're unable to do it necessarily by speaking, then you can write your wishes, right? Or write why you chose X, Y, and Z. But just, again, the key to all this is communication. And sometimes I can help facilitate that, right? So if you ever need help with that, or you would like a consultation for your estate planning, you can always call my office, 407-476-5320. All right, guys, I'll be back again tomorrow with another video. Have a good evening.